I'm a doctor, but right now I'm talking to you, the spiritual counselor. Funny? I know in this spiritual world, it's tough to sell spirituality, but that can't stop from trying me. First episode, I go to the divine for his blessings. I would also like to pay gratitude towards the immense ocean of knowledge of Prashant Trivedi, my spiritual guru, who is the most promising writer in Vedic astrology coming out of India today. So, friends, let's talk something about childhood. बचपन में बचपना क्या होता है? So my son Aditya will tell you a story. This story is about a little girl child whom I met on a family trip.
So recently we all went for a trip and we were a group of 10 people. There was this girl who was 5 years old. तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा नखरे दिखा रही थी, बहुत ज़्यादा टैंट्रम थ्रो कर रही थी, अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान कर रही थी. And so one day my mother, she just took that girl into her room and she started talking to her. उसकी काउंसलिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दी मम्मा ने और उससे ऐसी बात करी थी. और बातों बातों में she just asked her कि why do you trouble your parents so much? इतना ज़्यादा नखरे क्यों दिखाते हो, इतना परेशान क्यों करते हो? So first she was hesitating to tell, she thought something was wrong. But then जब वो comfortable होना start हुई तो उसने मम्मा को बोला कि ये सब करना पड़ता है. जब मेरे को ऐसे ट्रीट करते हैं तो मेरे को ऐसा करना पड़ता है अटेंशन के लिए. तो मार्केट में उसने बोला कि मार्केट में मम्मा ने मेरी उंगली छोड़ दी थी और मेरे पे ध्यान नहीं दे रही थी एंड बड़ी दीदी को ज़्यादा प्यार करती हैं. So she said कि I have to do all this to get attention. So basically she was doing all this intentionally because her mother wasn't giving her enough attention. And so the thing is like kids of today's generation, बच्चों को पता है कि कैसे चीज़ों को मैनिपुलेट करके कैसे tantrums और नखरे दिखा के उनको attention मिल सकती है.
तो बात करते हैं बच्चे की मासूमियत क्या होती है. A child is very different from a baby, a kid or an infant. A child is one who as soon as he gains his consciousness, he just asks, मैं कौन हूँ, मैं कहाँ हूँ. अगर किसी भी व्यक्ति ने कभी भी अपने आप से ये सवाल किया है, so that is the real child, that is the real innocent. But if we go by this definition, we'll hardly find any children on this planet. आजकल 4-5 साल की उम्र से ही बच्चे मी, माइन, मेरे मम्मी, मेरे पापा की अप्रोच रखते हैं. They know how to get attention. They know how to manipulate things, the people, this and that. इंडिया में बड़े बुजुर्ग कोई भी काम शुरू करने से पहले हैं गणेशा को याद कर लो. So remembering Ganesha, that doesn't mean chanting Ganesha mantra, going to Ganesha mandir, or putting flowers in front of Ganesha idol. Ganesha is a symbol of a child. So that simply means that behave like a child, carry an attitude like a child before doing anything in the life. So friends, if any of you listening to me, irrespective of age, 30, 40, 50, is realizing that they have never kept a childlike attitude towards anything, and as soon as they gain consciousness, they are just behaving like a kid and following the man-made rules, especially the rules of the family and society. So it's a wake-up call. Wake up, man. How you connect with my story and with me in the comment below. Bye.